And then, okay, one of the last things is my, just something I'm so excited about. It's life-changing, people. This is life-changing. We are very honored and proud to be the first owners of an RC sink. It's a small company that makes these sinks, I believe, in New Jersey. And you can see it's actually almost the whole 36 cabinet. It's pretty big. Ooh, I'm gonna do a demo though. Hold on. Didn't plan ahead. Oh my gosh. So crazy right now. Okay, so when you bake a lot and you make a lot of mess, which Corey luckily cleans up for me a lot. Love you, baby. One of the biggest pet peeves with the old sink was that it was just a 50-50 bowl, so you could never get a cookie sheet flat in there. So now we have all the space in the main sink to do a full cookie sheet, and the dish rack is actually a little shelf here built in, so that when Corbear does the dishes, that they can just sit inside the sink and dry, and then you don't have to have a cluttered countertop. How cool is that? It's just the coolest. So if you want information, I can post below on the maker of that sink. It's just a small company. Amy, my Mayflower friend on Facebook, had in her kitchen in California. I saw it there, and it's amazing. So I think that's pretty much all the highlights. Corey did such a good job on these